Hello, students and others. I convey my heartiest congratulations to all. Today, I'm publishing these opposite words. It should be open to new thoughts and ideas and remain our students at heart. It is an effective way to solve the problems at every step and also all competitive exams that you must have. Now, come to the lesson. Opposite words, part 1, letters from A to L. At first, A, alive, dead, able, unable, incapable, absurd, rational, afraid, bold, ancestor, descendant, antonym, synonym, arrival, departure, attentive, neglectful, absent, present, accept, reject, aged, old, achieve, miss, active, inactive, or indolent, ancient, modern, ascent, descent, asset, liability. Next, B, begin, end or finish, backward, forward, beautiful, ugly, beneficial, harmful, blessing, curse, blunt, sharp, bright, dim or pale, brutal, human, big, small, barren, fertile, betray, befriend, benefit, harm, blame, praise, busy, lazy or idle, broad, narrow, bold, timid. Next, C, calm, noisy, cancel, confirm, change, fix, chaos, order, clear, vague, compulsory, optional, companion, enemy or foe, complex, simple, confess, deny, conflict, agreement, cold, hot or warm, copy, original, seize, start or begin, cheap, costly, capture, release, competent, unfit, close, distant, clean, dirty, confident, diffident, consider, ignore, conceit, humility, contradiction, harmony, cool, warm, corrupt, perfect. Next, D, dangerous, safe, dead, alive, deep, shallow, defense, offense, dispute, consent, descent, ascent, different, alike or similar, difference, similarity, dark, light, death, birth, defeat, victory, defensive, offensive, diligent, idle, despise, admire, dry, wet, discipline, disorder. Next, E, letter E, early, late, empty, full, enough, insufficient, enormous, tiny, enter, partial, error, truth, exit, entrance, exactly, vaguely, expand, reduce, extravagant, economical, easy, difficult, educated, illiterate, efficient, unskilled, end, comments, established, demolish, expansion, contraction, excess, scarcity, eternal, transient, evil, good, external, internal. Next, F, fast, slow, fat, lean, fast, lost, flexible, rigid, full, wise, fortune, poverty, free, bound, freedom, slavery, famous, obscure, few, many, final, primary, forget, remember, forward, backward, friend, foe or enemy, frequent, rare, fresh, still. Next G, glad, sad, gay, melancholy, good, bad, God, devil, guilty, innocent, gain, loss, general, particular, gather, disperse or scatter, gradation, suspension, guest, host. Next H, harm, benefit, hard, soft, hate, love, hope, despair, happy, unhappy, discontent, harmony, discord, heavy, light, heaven, hell, huge, tiny or small, humble, proud, honesty, dishonesty or deceit, hypocrite, hermit or saint. Next I, idle, busy, imaginary, real, individual, collective, include, exclude, increasing, decreasing, ignorant, wise, import, export, indicate, hide or conceal, insane, sensible, indifferent, active. Next J, join, separate, junior, senior, joy, sad, just, unjust. Next K, kind, cruel, known, unknown, keen, dull, knowledge, ignorance. Lust, L, love, cry, lend, borrow, liberty, bondage, like, dislike, loud, low, late, early, light, heavy, listen, ignore, lonely, crowded, lower, upper. No more today. Many thanks to you. Please subscribe, share and like. Thanks. Many thanks to all. Okay.